Deepika. I am studying second class. Our school name is RK English Medium School. My mother name is Karima. My father name is Afzal. Principal sir name is Krishna Reddy sir. Correspondent sir name is Kammi Reddy sir. I am telling about brain. Brain present inside the skull. Brain weight 1300 to 1400 grams. Parts of brain 4. Brain, mid brain, hindbrain. Largest part cerebrum, smallest part midbrain. Brain diseases, dementia, Alzheimer's diseases, Parkinson's diseases. Doctor of brain, neurologist, study of brain, neuroscience. Telugu poems. ముద్దులొలికే పాపాయి అద్దంలోన చూసింది, అద్దాల పరికిని కట్టింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.